Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm Miss Lisa, and this is my YouTube channel where we talk about anything I want to, science and math. And this is going to be a quick little video because I'm not really going to show you how to do it, but I'm going to show you that you can get this in. I'm going to start you on your journey in this direction. Okay, so what am I talking about? This calculator lab on page 539 of Mcdougal Littell Algebra 1 shows you that you can write a calculator for your TI 82 or 83. This program does not work on an 84. And what do I have? An 84. So what I want you to do is that a couple of things. One is if you've already got a TI calculator that has a quadratic program, like I have A quad, B quad, and discrimi. I have 3. If you already have a program, what I want you to do is just use it to do these exercises. If you don't have a program and you have a TI 82 or an 83, you can write a quadratic equation program using this. You just do it exactly, and I'm going to show you how, and then you can get one. If you have an 84, this one won't work, but I'm sure if you Google it, you can find a program that you can write for yourself so that you can have a quadratic equation program. If not, if you know me, I've got cables, I'll give you programs. If not, I think you can download them off of the TI 84 website even. So you need to have this program. So that's your thing, is you need to have it. Now, I'll sort of show you a little bit about how to do this. I'm not going to do it exactly because I don't want to actually put it into my calculator. Okay, let me clear out what's in here and turn it off. Let's start from the beginning. All right, step 1, turn on your calculator. And I have an 83, I think, at school, but did I think to bring it home? No. All right, anyway. Okay, so here we go, and we want to write a program. So we go to this button that says program. I think that means program. And do you see where it says new? You arrow over, and then you would create new. You would select number 1, and then you would type in exactly what you want here, like, and you can see the little screen. I'll say program, you're going to name it quadratic form. Their prompts are going to be A, B, and C. This is, you type it in exactly like this. You'll get to use some of the unusual things that's on here, like the arrows and stuff like that. But if you type it in exactly, then you will have a quadratic program. Now, just to remind you, why do you want this? So, because you want to be able to use your calculator. So I'm going to do second mode quit. I'm going to go back to program, and I'm going to show you how to use the quadratic equation program once you've got it. So I'm going to hit enter to select that one. I hit enter again to make it go, and it asks me, what is A? Well, A is the coefficient of x squared, and it's an understood 1. So I put in 1, enter. B is the coefficient of x, and that is also an understood 1. So I put in 1. Now it's stood. And C is negative 30. So I put in negative, this negative on the bottom, 30. Don't use minus. Always use negatives on these. Hit enter, and it tells me that where the vertex is and the solutions are 5 and negative 6. Done. 6 and negative 5. The order doesn't matter. I guess it's by etiquette. Maybe you put the smaller thing first. All right. So isn't that easier than like using the quadratic equation or something like that? So this program was written, the one I'm using was written by Sam Quachi. He's a professor at the local community college here, and he gave that program to my son. So I love it. Thank you, Mr. Quachi, for making that program and being such a good math teacher. All right, so if you don't have a program, your assignment is get a program. Get yourself a quadratic equation program immediately. And if you can Google and find one to type in, you don't have to worry about you giving yourself a virus or anything like that. And make that program. Give it a try. You can't mess anything up. Go give it a try. All right? Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time.